Welcome you all to this innovation cell, which was set up in 2022. As ma'am has told, it was also yours innovation cell was also started in 2022. So we at the University of Allahabad actually got it registered under the name of business entity that is known as Navkalpana Foundation. जब आप बाहर से यहाँ निकलेंगे तो यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, आप देखेंगे नवकल्पना इनोवेशन। हमारा जो इसका कंसेप्ट है, वी आर एक्चुअली this has come from our honorable vice chancellor. She has actually planned each and everything. So at the beginning we are having a collaboration with Bombay Stock Exchange. The vice chancellor, you all know, the chancellor of this university is, आप लोगों को पता है? वाइस चांसलर, चांसलर पता है? Dr. Ashish Chauhan. He is the Bombay Stock Exchange. So our first activity जो इस innovation cell की थी, we started with the business plan competition. So they were our mentor. They have a unit that is known as zonal startup. So वहाँ से हमारी शुरुआत हुई 2022 से। तभी कोई भी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं था, जैसे मैम बता रही है, वी हैव इन आवर ओन डिपार्टमेंट। तो हम जो 6-7 लोगों की कमेटी है, so this is being looked after by them, Dr. Shefali, me, Professor Neelam Yadav, Professor Shanti Sundaram, and some other faculty members are also there. So with this span of 2 years, we have conducted few activities, 4 or 5 activities, and the first activity was very interesting. That was for the students like you people, and the idea was to promote innovation among the students. जो बच्चा सबसे अच्छा बिजनेस प्लान लाया था उसको प्रमोट करने के लिए वो आइडिया थी। So before that, what happened? We had given a training, online virtual training was given by the people from Bombay Stock Exchange, and after that the students were grouped and there were 10 teams with 4 or 5 members in each team. So we had conducted a business competition plan and we had judges from Bombay Stock Exchange only. And then the first awardees were given 40,000 prize. So probably they will be later on trained for setting up their own startup. So that was one activity with that we had started. And in last year in 2023 we had organized one startup mela, and the objective was to give platform to the new startups, new innovations, irrespective of students. It was open for all, and I think about 20 startups from Allahabad, they were there, and that was an interesting thing. Ma'am and we were discussing that probably it could not reach to you people, and next time we will keep in mind that whenever we are planning, it reaches to you also. So that startup was in the March 2023, and the platform, mainly the startup which participated in this program were from IT industry, from fashion technology, from food processing industry. So that was a good platform for the publicity for those startups, because इस तरह के मेला लगाने का main उद्देश्य क्या है कि they get a publicity also, so we can encourage the startups. Besides that, we have also trained to our own students of different faculties like commerce faculties, which have the possibility of encouraging them to start their own startups. So like commerce department, and we are in the process of training these students. So these were few activities this innovation cell of university has conducted. Beside that, we had made our own policy. Meanwhile, in the last 2 years, we have finalized our policy of the innovation cell, and now we have started with 2 programs, incubation and pre-incubation programs. And that was launched in May and probably it could not reach to the CMP degree colleges. So what I would advise you, before I tell you about what are these incubation and pre-incubation programs, you can always visit to the university website, and vice versa we can exchange the things. If you reach to the website means there is a section of facilities, University of Allahabad website. You being a part of University of Allahabad, probably you might already be searching this. So once you reach to the facility section, there is a link for incubation cell, University of Allahabad, incubation center, University of Allahabad. So in the May we have called for the application for 2 programs, that is incubation and pre-incubation program, and this will be actually a round the year offer which will be available from time to time. You can also further apply. So incubation program is for those people who have already registered or who are planning to register their own startup. So once they apply, then they should be able to register within the first 6 months. पहले 6 महीने में उनको अपनी कोई कंपनी जो है वो रजिस्टर कर देनी है, बिकॉज उस रजिस्टर्ड पीरियड में अगर उन्होंने ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर किए देन ऑल्सो दे आर एलिजिबल, and we will be incubating them for 2 years, and it will be in 2 modes. One will be in the physical mode where they will be given these facilities, okay? And another will be in the virtual mode. That will be in the virtual. Okay? Virtual is for a shorter duration of time, maybe 6 months with the less fee structure, 9,000. But this 2-year incubation period will be, the students will be given at least 6 hours per week. This facility will be available. We have workstations and different sections. We will be giving them platform to connect with certain mentors. We have identified mentors. So mentor facility will be given. They will be given advice on various things, various financial advice, various advices related to especially linkages with other firms. And they can also during this registration period they can use different facilities of the university, like we have facility of the library. Then we had already identified certain laboratories, and not only laboratories, in arts faculty also we have identified certain things, like those who are interested, those who will be taking up startup in the tourism and other things, they can avail the facility of history department. Then in the science faculty also, chemistry department, biotechnology department, food processing department. So on the chargeable basis, they can use the lab facilities. We also have one creche, those who are already working women, they can use that facility also. So it will be for a period of 2 years. And these facilities will be, they will be actually fostered. This is the basic objective of this incubation cell, is to promote and foster new startups or entrepreneurship. Okay? So the thrust area which we have identified, we will be mentoring in certain areas because we cannot be expert in all the areas. So we have identified certain thrust areas. One is agriculture and environment and agriculture sustainability. That is one area. That will include biotechnology, that will include food technology and other subjects. Then another is the education technology. Those who want to do anything, those who want to develop app or other things. And the third area which we have taken, we are planning to take up tourism. Tourism also we will be taking. And these are the, initially we are focusing on these 3-4 thrust areas. Those thrust areas are also available on the website. Okay, you can check it. The second program, which is a pre-incubation program, that is basically for students like you. It is only the alumni or the current student of University of Allahabad are eligible for that program. Okay, so they can enroll, and meanwhile during the incubation time they can make up their own business plan, they can get it registered. So we will be mentoring them for all those things. And the first application we had already opened in the month of May. So in the first batch we will be having 6 incubatees, and for the pre-incubation program we are having 4 incubation incubatees. So they will be using this internet facilities, this incubation workstation and other things will be available to them. So this is all about our incubation center, and you are free to ask anything what you want to ask. And what I was thinking, this pre-incubation program, if we talk mutually, it can also be open to the student of constituent colleges of the university. हम लोग ऐसा भी कुछ सोच सकते हैं, क्योंकि अभी तो प्री इंक्यूबेशन प्रोग्राम हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ इलाहाबाद के स्टूडेंट के लिए, वी में वर्कआउट ऑन दोज लाइन्स ऑल्सो, हम लोग ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं।
कोई फीस भी है प्री
फीस है, हाँ, प्री इंक्यूबेशन के लिए फ़ीस कम है, आई हैव टू चेक इट। इंक्यूबेशन के लिए फ़ीस थोड़ी ज़्यादा है। जैसे मैंने बताया, ऑनलाइन के लिए जो वर्चुअल इंक्यूबेशन है वो 9,000 पर ईयर है, पर जो ऑफलाइन मोड में काम करेंगे, जो हमारी सारी फैसिलिटी यूज़ करेंगे, उनके लिए 6,000 पर मंथ है। पर प्री इंक्यूबेटीज हु विल बी स्टूडेंट, आई थिंक विकास कितनी 3,000 है क्या प्री इंक्यूबेशन की फ़ीस? अभी हमने कितनी रखी? 3,000 है, 3,000 पर। उसको हमने शुरू में कुछ अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कुछ कंसेशन भी दिया है, और कुछ रिक्वेस्ट आई है। तो आपकी कुछ क्वेरीज भी है तो आप देख सकते हैं। बाकी इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर है, हमारी इंटरनेट फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, हमने वर्क स्टेशंस भी दिए हैं। वर्क स्टेशंस और ये एटमॉस्फेयर इसलिए किया है कि हम चाह रहे हैं कि अपने जो बाहर के बिजनेस ऑलरेडी इस्टेब्लिश बिजनेसेस हैं, उनके साथ अगर आप लिंकेजेस इस्टेब्लिश करना चाहें तो उनको हम लोग बुलाएंगे। वी मे प्लान अ बिग इवेंट इन नवंबर। हम लोग नवंबर में कुछ प्लान कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे हम अपने कुछ ऑलरेडी इस्टेब्लिश्ड बिजनेस पर्सन, बिजनेस वुमेन्स को यहाँ पे बुलाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं। सो आप में से कुछ लोग ऑलरेडी स्टार्टअप शुरू किया है किसी ने, और यू आर प्लानिंग टू?
ये सब स्टूडेंट्स हैं।
स्टूडेंट्स हैं,
हाँ, BSc, MSc, BCom।
Ma'am, I'm a student of CMP degree college, myself Rajbir Singh, and I'm pursuing MSc chemistry. Ma'am, last year I started a startup named Just Insert. Just Insert 24/7.
क्या नाम में start?
Just Insert.
Just Insert.
Yeah. In India, almost 60% people are there. For their online works, they go to the shops, and when they go to the cyber cafes and the shops, they have to wait for a longer times, means 1 hour, 2 hour, till the shopkeeper gets free, and the shopkeeper charges means as much as price they want to the customers. I have started just Insert, where people can tell me and my team their requirements, the online works they want to do, means filling forms and all, and we will do that in reasonable prices, and means we will hire a team, and that work will be done means in very less time.
It's a very good business idea.
Yeah.
Especially
Many
for
people said, ma'am, ki it's how people will trust, how they can share your documents. I said, if people can keep their money in the banks, why can't they give me documents? Such trust we will build. And
मैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे एंट्रेंस भी देखती हूँ, तो ये एक बड़ी बेसिक और जेन्यून प्रॉब्लम है। जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूपी के, मेरे को लगता है 50-60% स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो अपना फॉर्म भरने जो है वो कैफेज पे जाते हैं, जो कैफेज साइबर कैफेज हैं, और उसमें इतनी बार उन्होंने गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन दी होती है। जब स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, करेक्शन विंडोज़ हम लोग ओपन करते हैं, तब वो आते हैं कि क्यों किया तुमने, तो कह रहे साइबर कैफ़े वाले ने भर दिया। तो ये एक बहुत अच्छी बिजनेस आइडिया है। इफ इट इज विल बी डन, इट विल ऑल्सो कम अंडर एजुकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। तो ये तो इस तरह के लोगों को केटर करने के लिए इस रीजन में बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है। एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू। आई थिंक आप अच्छा कर पाएंगे इस एरिया में, क्योंकि एक बहुत जेन्यून प्रॉब्लम है। आप किसी से विजिट कर सकते हैं, आप देख सकते हैं क्या क्या सेक्शंस हैं। बाहर हमारे नोटिस बोर्ड्स हैं, ईबी के कोर्सेज हैं, उसके लिए भी बनी है। बट दोज हु विल बी वर्किंग इन द incubation area, incubation in the area of education technology, they can use our language lab also. So basically they are teaching 3 or 4 foreign languages. Our library facility can be explored. Museum in the history department, we are planning to open that for these incubators.
तो मैं प्रोफेसर नीलम यादव को बहुत बहुत थैंक्स देती हूँ कि आपने हम लोगों को बताया कि यूनिवर्सिटी में भी आपका एक इंस्टीट्यूट इनोवेशन सेल है और इस तरह के प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो हम लोग पहले नहीं जानते थे। और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि आप हमारे डिग्री कॉलेज के बच्चों के लिए भी एक पैसेज बनाएं कि जहाँ तक स्टार्टअप की बात है, घूम फिर कर इंस्टीट्यूट इनोवेशन सेल हो, चाहे यूनिवर्सिटी का प्री इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर हो, पर्पज़ यही है नए आइडियाज़ और उनको बिजनेस में मटेरियलाइज करना, जैसे अभी उस बच्चे ने कहा। तो ये सिर्फ इसलिए कि एक समय के बाद जब आप अपना एजुकेशन पूरी करके बाहर निकलेंगे तो हो सकता है जॉब्स आपके हाथ में ना हो, तो आपके दिमाग में ये सीड तो रहे जो हम लोग डाल रहे हैं इस वक्त कि आप अपना बिजनेस कर सकते हैं, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप शुरू कर सकते हैं और कैसे कैसे कर सकते हैं और कहाँ कहाँ से क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज़ मिल सकती हैं। यही हम लोग का आज का लक्ष्य था यहाँ पर आने का, और आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह बताया। थैंक यू वेरी मच। और हम लोग विजिट करते हैं और फिर आपसे आगे कोलैबोरेशन में रहेंगे। मैम के लिए ताली बजाइए। हम लोग अभी खड़े होते हैं क्योंकि हम लोग को बस नहीं